Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle and you are watching the Beaded Jewel today. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. We'd love to have you. And today's video is going to be on the bargain bead box, of course, and we're going to just dive right into it. This is some of the jewelry I've been making lately, as you can see. Pretty. March 2023's bargain bead box comes in this black organza bag here. Pretty. And let's see, we can find out what the theme is. The theme for March 2023 is the Art Deco Luxe. So the beads basically are inspired by the glamour of the roaring 20s. This package includes black, gold, teal, and green tones with a touch of pearlescence. Black agate, onyx teardrops, combined with agate beads, coated hematite, lab created shell pearls, sparkling crystal accents, and high quality gold findings in Art Deco inspired teardrop motifs. So there you have it. Back to the 20s. So we're just going to dive right into it. If you're not subscribed to Bargain Bead Box, I highly suggest that you do. It's certainly worth the subscription fee, and you can enter what you make into their monthly contest on their Facebook group, which is a lot of fun, and a lot of people go on there and create beautiful pieces, necklaces, earrings, bracelets. They're just gorgeous. So let's get started. Get this out of the way. Got my little handy dandy chart here. We're just going to run right through it with number 1. 1 is an 8-inch strand of 5x6 mil hematite man-made coated chevron beads. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is a really pretty color. I wonder if I can get in a little bit more here. There we go. Really pretty. Nice color. And number 2, so we have a 7.5-inch strand of, if I can get it open, of 4 mil finely faceted hematite. More hematite. Man-made with AB rounds. So it has that Aurora Borealis coating on it to make it super sparkly. It's really pretty. So I have that. Number 3, I'm not going to pull out. It's 1 meter 3x2 brass oval jewelry chain. This one looks really pretty. It's very shiny. I like that. It's a pretty chain. And number 4 is 50 piece 4 mil brass corrugated bicone spacer beads. And those are super pretty. I don't think I've seen these before. Closer up here. These are really pretty, and they have some weight to them also. Okay, number 5. 7.5-inch strand, 8 mil white shell pearl man-made round beads. These are pretty. And 6, 18 karat gold plated brass swirl teardrop toggle clasp, and there is one of these. This is cute. It's stuck. There we go. That's pretty. Number 7 is 18 karat gold plated filigree teardrop pendant. And that is super pretty. It's sharp over there. I'm not going to be able to use this. That's going to cut my fingers for sure. I have to see if I can follow that down. Eight is a 5x8 mil gold plated brass filigree teardrop. These are really pretty. These are like teardrop charms. It's the same on both sides. And we have 9, which is a 16-inch strand 6x4 mil crystal faceted rondelle beads in jet gold. There we go. Number 10, 15-inch strand of 8 mil black agate dyed heated round beads. These are pretty. Number 11, I'm not going to take these out. Number 11 is 4-piece stainless steel open teardrop charms. Number 12 is a 15-inch strand 8 mil glass pearl beads in teal green. And 13 is a 2-piece 5x13 mil 17.5 by 13 mil onyx dyed brass faceted teardrop charms. And there we go with these. Now they are the same on each side. Fourteen, 10-piece strand, 10 mil faceted barrel beads in jet. These are shiny. So pretty. Oops. And 15, 37 by 21 mil black agate dyed faceted teardrop pendant. There we go. It's the other side. So it's a nice size. This is about, get my ruler out. Whoops. Upside down. There we go. So it's a good size right there. And 16, 16 is a 7-inch strand, 10 mil black and white agate dyed heated faceted rounds. Number 17. This is the last one. You get 17 pieces in this month's bargain Bead Box. It's a 20-piece strand, 8 mil crystal faceted drop beads in teal. There we go. And that's it for March 2023 bargain Bead Box. That is it. So I hope you consider subscribing if you like to make jewelry. I mean, it's not a sponsored video or anything. I don't even think they know that I make videos for their monthly subscription. But it's definitely worth the subscription fee if you make jewelry. You get a lot of different components for sure. And that's it for this video for bargain Bead Box. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that and hit the like button. That would greatly help us out. What else? I think that's it. You can check out our stores. I don't have my business card here in front of me. The Beaded Jewelry Store.com or the Beaded Jewelry Store. The links are below, down below. There'll be links there. So check out my other videos. Check out my famous spiral, rainbow spiral, Russian spiral bracelet, which everybody loves. Check out that. I have a video on that. I also have sets. I have kits, DIY kits on this. If you would like to get a DIY kit, it's in my Etsy shop. They're very popular. Filled with Precosa crystals. But anyway, that's it. I hope you liked the video. And check out the Rainbow Russian Spiral video if you would like to see how I color coordinate the crystals to make it like that. And I'll see you in my next video. I'm getting ready to update this Rainbow Russian Spiral video because the one that I have up now is just it's older, and I'm going to keep it up, of course, but it's a little older and it is a little dark, and I think I had better camera settings and lighting going on now, so I'm going to redo that. And that's it. Thank you so much for taking your time for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.